Hey there. If you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You're in the right place. I'm going to show you how Big Easy Books Plus makes bookkeeping feel less like a chore and more like a superpower for your business. And the best part, you don't need to know a single thing about accounting to get started. When you first log in, you'll see this Getting Started checklist right on your dashboard. Think of it as your personal guide. It walks you through each step, check things off as you go, and even tells you what percentage you've completed. No guessing, no overwhelm. Step 1 is to set up your company in the settings with a business name and fiscal year, basic information. Step 2 is to review your accounts and categories. Big Easy Books comes preloaded with a standard chart of accounts here. Things like checking, savings, credit card, and categories like office supplies and advertising. And you can use them as is, customize, or add your own. Step 3 is importing your transactions. You'll download a CSV file from your bank, upload it here, and Big Easy Books Plus maps everything for you. It's drag and drop simple. Step 4 is to categorize those transactions. This is where the magic happens. You can categorize manually or hit the Run Rules button and let the system do it for you based on your bank rules you set up or patterns it learns automatically. We'll call it auto learn, and it gets smarter every time you categorize a transaction. Once you finish your checklist, you'll see a little celebration because you earned it, and your dashboard becomes your daily command center. Your working cash estimate shows you exactly how much cash you have on hand, plus any incoming deposits or bills you've entered. So you always know your real available cash balance, not just what the bank says. The uncategorized transactions panel shows you anything that still needs attention, and you can categorize right from the dashboard without ever leaving the page. And the year-to-date task progress tracker shows you at a glance how caught up you are. Transactions entered, categorized, reconciled, and closed for each account. When everything's green and you see, yay, all caught up, that's the best feeling in bookkeeping. So if you've been asking yourself, what's the easiest way to do my bookkeeping? This is it. Big Easy Books Plus was built for real business owners, not accountants. Give it a try, and you'll wonder why you waited so long.